14 years ago.
I was hoping you would like to try some. I mean, this is my favorite.
Oh no.
This game includes one pie for each team, filled with surprising things. To gain points for your team, you must eat as many living things under the cream as you can, blindfoldedly. For one eaten, 1 point will be given. The catch is, each person has 1 minute to do it.
1 minute?
What? 1 minute to do it? To catch one insect.
You have to do as many as
No hands.
No hands, just your tongue.
Oh! Like you have to put it
I know what to do.
Kaya kami factory. So kung mga masiselan kayo,
I don't want to share it. You have to. That's the beer factory thing. You're going last.
I agree with you. Sino kasi kay Isaiah?
Wait. You just get one insect. Okay? One bug or whatever's inside there.
Hindi, kung makadalawa, kung makatatlo.
Ito maubusan eh. Baka maubos yung bug.
Okay, you only have 3 there. Is that what you're saying?
Marami na din kaya lang.
Baka maubusan. Baka isang bug.
Oh, na, ingat mo na. May damit ka naman. Just one bowl.
Ready, Dylan?
Just one.
Basta just one. Kaya
Parang uubusin na sa loob.
Dylan, just one. Okay, Navi.
Ready, set, go! Wait. Next. 4 minutes next.
Close your eyes.
Wala na. Close your eyes. Wala na.
Can we go now? Oh, that's so unfair. Don't spray too much.
The other one.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. To be fair. Okay. I think I got too much.
Good job.
Wala mo na maghihilaman para bilang ka ng family picture.
Okay. On your mark.
Tika ka ng tsura nila eh.
Wala nang ano.
Ready, set, go!
Ang gaganda nila.
Bilis!
Margo, stop!
Okay na, dito naman.
Good. Sige.
Go!
You're doing good. In 1 minute.
Mama, for your face!
Ang sarap.
Ay! Doon binalik!
Buti nga gusto mo.
No. Binilan ako. Okay lang.
Teka, ilan siya?
Binalik! Challenging yung sa huli!
It's okay, get up. The last one. Who's the last one?
Wait. 10, 9, okay.
Ang sarap. Last one.
Ready, set, 1, 2. Okay na, 1. Go!
Ilan sa'yo, Aldous? Isa lang daw.
Dalawa sa kanya.
Pwede pa kubuha?
Okay. So, wala. Meron pa, no? Wala na? Wala na? Wala picture.
Oh, next.
Kuha ng picture. Hindi namin sila. Oh, kuha ka ng picture.
Oh, next. Bek, tsaka kami. Dali.
Albus, pakuha ka ng picture. Pakuha ka ng picture.
Hi!
Ilan sila, oh. Yung pala yun.
Okay ah. Ayos.
Ayos ka. Nainugod yung mukha niya. Ayusin naman natin.
Okay.
Meron pa. Meron pa pala.
Ano pa yan eh? Game.
Meron pa.
Phase 2 pa yan, phase 2.
Phase
3 pa pala.
Ikaw pa ba?